Buenos dias, peeps. Good morning. UTB's in the house, under the blade. Me and my little bro are heading out to Ocotillo area, the desert. It's gonna be warm out there right now in Cali, Southern Cali. It's a little cloudy, but it's gonna probably clear up as soon as we start heading out. So I got all my stuff ready to go. YouTubing it. Gonna have to edit the vlog because it's been a while. I've been trying to. I have videos, have the files, but I haven't really uploaded them to YouTube. But it's about that time to do the damn thing. Check out all the stuff. Look at all the stuff, all the camping gear. Yep, got it all ready to go. Actually, not this stuff over here. No, not that stuff. From this, tools, porta potty, portable one, jackery, solar, some more tools, table, backpack, clothes, jackeries, the trusty jackeries, and air pump because we are going to be doing some off-roading. Awning, canopy, chair, sleeping bag, portable fire pit. This little thing right here is really cool. It's the Kilo. It's a sleeping mat. You can just throw it in the two-person tent or whatever. But I'm gonna try to right now. I'm gonna try to put the racks up. Let's see. Hold on. I'm gonna try to put the racks up and then put the overland tent. It's outside in the balcony. See, as soon as my brother gets here, we could just throw it on. Because I'd rather sleep on top of the truck instead of on the floor because, you know, scorpions, rattlesnakes, you never know, man. Just keeping it safe, bro. But the adventure starts. Let's do this. You'll be getting here soon. UTB. That's right, baby. Woo. All right, guys. We are off. Little bro's leading the way. We're on Chino Hills Parkway, and we are heading to the Sonora Desert. Hopping on the 71, I believe, no. 71,
in half a mile,
find out right now. 71 going north. And then we are gonna hop on the 10 going east all the way down to the desert, baby. Let's roll. It's him up ahead, check him out.
Stay in the middle lane.
It's gonna be fun. Let's go have some fun. Okay, so we are hopping on the 60 east to the 10 most likely, and then we're gonna stop at the AMPM. It's gonna take us about an hour and a half to get there. So yeah, my little brother is up ahead, and I got the walkie-talkies. Probably gonna eat a little cookie, you know what I mean? Oatmeal cookie. Nothing wrong with that. That's gonna be my breakfast. Probably stop and get something else when we get to the gas station. It's cloudy over here in Chino Hills, but as soon as we get further down the 10 east, I'm pretty sure it's going to clear up. All right, let's keep it going. Quick update, guys. We're still on the 60, about to hit the 10, I believe, and it's starting to clear up. It's looking nice. We just passed Beaumont, actually. Kris is still up ahead. Idlewild is the exit coming up. Look at the skies, they're clearing up. Highway patrolman up ahead. Watch out. Woo, 5-0 on the right. He's exiting. Oh, nice. There was a cop right there. I had to put the camera down. Didn't want that guy to spot me. Check it out. Yeah, clearing up. It's gonna be sunny and bright. Woo-wee. Kris is up ahead right there. Should be there in, I think, let me see. We're gonna get to the AMPM at 10:04 a.m. Gas up, just keep it going.
go to the restroom. We're at the Chevron in, I don't even know what city. Yeah, Chevron. And we should be getting there in about, to the exit we're supposed to be at, getting off on. It's gonna be probably like 30 minutes from here. Yeah, road trip happening. Right. Alright, little gas station pit stop. The Arco. Gotta put Arco, even though I don't want to put Arco. AM PM up over there. We're probably gonna get some goodies. And then hit the road, get back, hopefully get on the trail soon. Kris is putting some gas right here. What's up, Kris? How was it? You drive? Cool?
Yeah.
What were you listening to?
Just a bunch of stuff.
Yeah?
Yeah. Just had it on like shuffle.
Alright. Cool. I was listening to some corridos.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. That was fun, dude. Alright, cool. Let's get going. No, you just finished pretty nice. I'm telling the camera. Just finished pretty nice in his Yeti. That should last for a good 2 days that we're gonna be out there. I just put the wood in the back. We're about to leave the AM PM Travel Center. Put some gas, we're gassed up. All the way up. Alright, dude. Let's roll out. Let's go. To the trail. Trail. We're gonna go to this little spot. It's a short little ride, short drive. I think it's going towards the caverns. Kris is leading the way. We got the walkie-talkies on deck just in case we need them. But this is gonna be a short one, and then we're gonna head back on the road and go back to the real trail where we're gonna camp. We're camping for like 2 days, so this looks pretty dope. It's a little dusty. Check it out. Yep, this is what it looks like. Should be pretty dope. Just keep an eye out. We didn't have to air down. Sick. Cavern. We're heading in right now. Come back and have some lunch. I have a sandwich. Kris is gonna eat a wrap. This is beautiful though. Prestigious. Worldwide. Another trip. I know, these are the only ones I brought. Fuck it. Brand new. And then I brought some sandals. Just in case we need to most likely take a shower. Probably tomorrow. I'll probably just do the bird bath. Baby wipes. Check this out. Yeah. We are heading in, folks. We are heading in. This ladder right here. This is where it splits. We're gonna check it out first to see, make sure that ladder's stable. But we are heading up. Check this out. Kris is leading the way. That's right. Just don't be eating shit here, bro. Yeah, that's another thing we have to be careful here for rattlesnakes. All right, little workout before we have lunch. That's right. It's pretty dope whoever did this, huh? There's one on the other side too. Huh? No. We don't need ladders. We don't need no patches. Yeah, this is so much fun. Oh yeah. Just watch your step. Here we go. Ladder there. Ladder there. And we're just gonna keep it going. Alright, we trusted the ladder and it worked. Alright. Sick. Dope. Look at this. I know. We got a cave up ahead. Get some shade. Yeah, like if you were dying, you would chill in that spot. Drink your own piss. I wonder who brought these ladders, dude. Yeah. Sick. That's right. Oh. We made it. All right. All right. It's about 85 degrees. But in here, it feels like what? 80?
Less?
Probably less, huh? Like 70? Oh yeah. Oh shit. Nice. This is so dope. All right, cool. Of course, you got graffiti. People always have to tag some shit up. Not cool. I know, dude. Hell yeah, bro. This is what you call a hike. And we got another ladder here. Takes you up to the viewpoint. You want to climb that? All right. I'll get back to you right now. Dude. Amazing. Check this out, guys. And we are gonna climb this for sure. All right. A little shot real quick. What's up, man? In the house, UTB. Smile, dude. All right, cool. Here we go. Oh. I've been eating a little too much. Oh, that's cool. They put a chain. It's like clinked on. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. That was a good little climb. A little wobbly. All right, cool. Kris is coming up. All right. Perfect. Oh, this is dope. Perfect. Oh yeah, this is dope. Little steps. Alright. It's clean. Down there. Look at this. Woo-hoo-wee. Clean. No, huh? Not at all. Look at that. We are high up. Perfect, dude. Nice little climb. This is perfect before we eat. All right, guys, continue the journey. Hey, what's up, brother? Good. Enjoy. Well, that's right. Wow. We got some visitors. That's right. Let them go. That's right. Puppy some rancheras. Dope. Hell yeah.
Well, I thought it was just gonna be us.
What's up, bros? What's up, guys? What's up?
Hey man, it's hot out there. Don't
Hey, you're good.
What time, bro?
Yeah. It's clean as fuck.
Look at this.
All right. This is gonna be a nice little long video. And we are continuing. We had some visitors, people passing us by. But man, look at this place. It's freaking really cool little hidden gem, huh? You look up, beautiful rocks. You look down, beautiful pathway. And we're gonna keep it going. All right, so we officially entered the trail. We're about 10 minutes in. We just did that badass hike with the caverns. And this trail looks pretty cool. We're gonna air down right now. And then I'm gonna put it on 4-wheel drive. Kris is up ahead. There he is. And then we're gonna continue on this trail. It's a trip in the middle of the desert pretty much. See what lies ahead, folks. Let's see what lies ahead. Yeah. So we just entered, we just got to the spot where, the part where we're gonna go up. I think we can do it for sure. It's just that I'm gonna air down right now.
Yeah.
You're gonna air down and then we're gonna go up towards the right.
Yeah. I think, oh yeah, you can do it.
Yeah. Doesn't look steep on the camera.
No. Not at all. It's just that little weird section that's right there.
Yeah. It'll grab. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's go down.
Alright. Gonna air down. Time to air down. So, Mr. Kris over here forgot to record me while he was trying to record, but he was running up the hill, and he was my guide. He was viewing the whole thing, but he didn't record me. Damn, Kris. Damn. Gotta do me like that. Wanted to get that shot. Even though, honestly, the hill wasn't even that steep. I thought it was gonna be more like technical, but it wasn't. Kind of easy. Well, you know, honestly, real easy. It wasn't even that bad. I would say probably like oh shit, I forgot the walkie-talkie. Probably like not even moderate, pretty easy. All right, let me record this guy. He's coming up. He's coming up, folks. Fuck, man. Shit, we over exaggerated on that one. Wasn't even that bad, dude. Honestly, wasn't bad at all, bro. What the hell was that, dude? You're supposed to fill out or something.
I thought it was gonna be harder.
It's all good, dude.
All right,
let's go.
Yeah.
All right.
I have to pull in front of you.
Yeah. So over there somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere over there.
All right. Yeah. Cool. All right, dude. We out. Back on the trail.
You're good. Hold on. But go slow. Watch your mirror. Yeah. Hold on. Go. You're good. Damn, that was fucking tight, man. Yeah.
Hell yeah. Good looking out. Fuck, dude. Good looking out, bro. Oh, take the mirror back, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Put the mirror back. Damn, that's a tight squeeze, man.
Tight.
Fuck, alright. Good shit. Let's roll. Woo-wee. That was a tight squeeze. Did it. See what I'm saying? That's why sometimes you need a guide. Let's keep it going. Yeah, so just kind of crawl this way, if anything, and just go through here, like this.
Like this?
Yeah. Alright, so Kris is gonna go first. Nothing crazy. Just gonna kind of go this way. Good. Good. All right. Perfect. Here. All right, he did it. My turn. Shit. I mean, I'm probably gonna scratch right there. I'm probably gonna scratch right there. Me? Yeah, cause your shit just looks like it's perfect for that little maneuver.
Did it come close?
Yeah, well, not really.
Yeah. All right, hit the same line. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be too much. My tire went on the rocks? The tire went on the rocks? Okay. Okay. Can you go back? Go slow. That shit, no, shit's big though.
Fucking huge. I can feel like it feels like it's just gonna.
Oof. Like right there, I was like,
Yeah.
yeah, but you like hit it perfect.
Hell yeah, I'm smooth. Thanks, man.
All right, go.
Yeah. All right. That was fun. Keep it going.
Fire pit going.
Yeah. Cheers, guys. We just got to our spot.
Oh, that was a crazy ride, man.
That was, dude. Honestly, expected more from that trail, but the trail was fun. But
Yeah.
you have to go really slow.
Yeah, that's the bummer. Like you wanted to get here quicker.
Yeah,
but you
dude.
couldn't.
But
just couldn't.
you can't, especially with this monster.
This seems like fucking feels like it's just gonna fucking tilt over, you know? But that's part of the experience.
Yeah.
Kris sheep. Yeah, your shit handled good, right?
Fuck yeah, I had no issues with it.
Yeah, see, the wheelie always fucking comes through. You can't go wrong with the Jeep, dude.
Yeah, and I think the shorter wheelbase allows you to like go through more, you know?
Mm-hmm.
It had no issues.
I could tell, and especially that's why it's good when you're following somebody because you can see the car rocking.
Yeah.
And then you're like, oh shit, like that one little spot that was just like wobbly as fuck.
What was that, man?
I don't know, dude.
I don't know what that was.
That was funny. The Jeep was just like.
And like, if you look at the road, there's like little dips, so not enough to make you go. Boom.
Not enough, like, yeah.
But it was fucking rocking.
Yeah, very rocky.
But it worked good. I felt it too, like when I was going down little things, you could feel like the suspension start to like articulate. It was fucking awesome.
That's awesome. That's the good thing. That's the fun part about you get to know how your car is throughout through trails.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're gonna set up the canopy probably like right here in this little spot, and then we already know where the fire is going tonight. Oh, sick. Awesome. Thank you. That's sick.
Dope, huh?
Yeah. Kris has a little special $400 GPS thing that receives text. Super cool. How much was that thing?
Yeah, about 400. It's on sale right now though.
Yeah?
For I think $2.99 or something.
Not bad.
It's worth it.
Yeah, it is worth it. Look at that. Yeah, because we don't have service out here, which is nice. But we have this freaking tower up over there. Who knows? It might be 5G. All right, we're gonna set up tent, canopy, fire's there. That's for later on tonight. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy this brew. Kris is gonna get his stuff ready.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep continuing the fun and post up. Get back to you later. Peace. Fuck him up, Kris.
Fucking guy.
Fuck that Indian guy up.
Damn, this fucking is difficult.
Oh, you missed him, dude.
Oh,
dude.
guy.
Damn it, bro. Damn
I'm
it.
getting hungry.
Yeah, me too. Time to eat, guys. We're gonna eat right now. Cook some food up. Just made some chicken soup. Made dinner on the jet boil. The jet boil always comes through. Works great. That's it right there. A little chicken soup. With a bunch of flies around it. And Kris is making his stir fry. And now we are having dinner, contemplating life, reminiscing, and also playing Street Fighter. We're gonna get back to that round right now. I didn't even think it would be that hard, dude. Freaking games are a lot more difficult than it seemed back in the day. It's probably just knew all the moves and all that good combos and stuff like that, but we had to remember most of those combos. We're gonna beat this guy. I think we're facing Doslim. That guy. No, we beat Doslim. Now we're facing Ryu, and we're Ken. So we're gonna get back to it. Yeah, good times. Kris is playing Street Fighter. So dope. That Delta app is sick, dude. On your iPhone, you can download it. Go to type in the name of the game /ROM, and it'll take you straight to that website. It's so cool, dude. Yeah, Street Fighter. Hadouken.
How do you do the spinning kick again?
The spinning kick. You go back instead of forward. Back and then kick.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Right? Oh shit, you got that shit down, bro.
Yeah.
Whee!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you can. That's right. Good times. You lose. You lost? Good morning, guys. And it is 7:57 a.m. We woke up about an hour ago. It's a bit windy. It was windy last night. The tent, the canopy actually almost flew away. Me and Kris had to wake up like at 2 or 3 in the morning to get it. It was so funny. And the fire ended up turning on again. And we had to put it back out. but we're gonna pick up this trash, leave this wood behind, and continue the adventure. We're gonna continue onto the trail and probably head over to Joshua Tree. Kris is loading up the rest of his stuff. I loaded all my stuff up already, and put it on 4-wheel drive, and let's roll out. So another adventure begins. Let's do this. We're gonna air up, probably get back on the road. We don't know yet. We're gonna decide whether we're gonna head on another trail or just get back on the road. We're about to decide. Just started airing up, guys. Airing up. Guys, we are heading to Palm Springs. Probably gonna get some food, walk around, and check it out. I haven't been there in a while, so we're just gonna stop by there and see how it goes. Most likely it should be cool. We're just gonna hang out. We're gonna still go to Joshua Tree, but it's crowded and there's no room. So we're just gonna head to Palm Springs, see what we get into. Go get some breakfast. Chill, probably have a drink or two. Just relax, enjoy Memorial Weekend. That's how we do it. Happy Memorial Weekend. That's right. Like, subscribe, comment. Comment down below if you want. It's up to you. Let's keep it going. So we are heading home. That's what we decided to do because there's this crazy dust storm in Palm Springs. Look at this thing. It's all bad. Sand everywhere, windy, super windy. Cars are being tossed around. Hopefully the weather is pretty good when we get back home. So we're heading west, we're going back home. We don't know what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna stop and get some food. And then I'm gonna see if my little brother wants to go on a hike. Just continue the journey, probably just go on a hike. We don't know where, but I'm gonna mention a couple spots to him. But yeah, heading back home pretty much for the most part. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little adventure that I just did right now over here in my Ocotillo Wells. Forgot the name of the trail. I think it was called the Goodwill Trail, I believe, OHV. We had a badass time, me and my little bro. The time to head home. This is when the day ends. Well, the day hasn't ended, but the trip has, for the most part. My truck is dirty. Everybody's car is pretty much dirty. Look at this. All bad. Don't forget, guys, like, comment, subscribe. You already know how it goes on YouTube. Happy Memorial Weekend. Have a good one. Peace.